This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by checking essentials, console software, and a working broadband link. Once done, plug an Ethernet cable for stability and power on the console. Sign into Xbox Live with your gamertag and Gold subscription. This authenticates you to Microsoft services. If prompted, accept any system or dashboard updates. Those patches enable matchmaking in Black Ops 2. Make sure your TV input and profile focus are correct before moving into Black Ops 2 multiplayer menus. You now verify the network state inside Settings right arrow Network and run the network test. Once done, check NAT type. Open or moderate NAT is required for smooth matchmaking. If it's strict, log into your router and enable UPnP or manually forward UDP 3074 and TCP 3074 to the console's IP. After saving router changes, restart both router and console to apply settings. Make sure your console keeps a static IP or DHCP reservation, so port rules stay consistent. You finish by launching Black Ops 2 and navigating to multiplayer. Allow any required game updates to complete. Once in, confirm you can join matches, receive party invites, and access DLC maps linked to your account. If matchmaking fails, sign out and back into Xbox Live, then test with a friend hosting. As a single troubleshooting tip, if problems persist, clear the console's alternate MAC address or switch to a wired connection. That often resolves lingering NAT or connectivity glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.